Construction sites include a wide range of jobs and trades, competing priorities, and hard-hitting deadlines. Completing a project on time and on budget requires teamwork from all participants. The clearer the communication is, the better. It's the secret to any successful team. So managing a project to this level, you guys are in charge of coordinating the whole construction process between the engineers, architects, the vendors, the tradespeople. How do you use technology to keep all these things coordinated?
The architects give us drawings. We take those drawings, we hand them out to the tradespeople. We put it in the Navisworks.
Oh, the Navisworks? Is that some kind of software? What is that?
Navisworks is a 3D model that we can take a bunch of other models and compile them to each other. Any issues that we could possibly foresee before it goes out in place, we try to handle in the model. Using the software, it's pretty simple. It's like if you can play a video game, it comes secondhand.
One of the major benefits of using the model out in the field is we can determine what MEP, for example, elements would be installed first. We'd be building high to low, so you'd be putting a plumbing pipe below HVAC duct, below fire protection, for example.
So Alex, do you have any advice for young people out there watching this?
To get good with using technology in construction, it helps to be a little younger and understand how technology is advancing these days, and there's tons of opportunity for young individuals who are good with technology to work with this and find a job in construction.
All right, James, where are we heading next?
So we're gonna go talk to Savvy. She's a pipe fitter, best in the biz, tradeswoman of the year, and see what she's got going on the site.
So I see all these pipes here, and I don't know much about them.
So these are 6 to 8 inch pipes that are insulated, the ground level all the way up to the mechanic room for the heating and cooling. We do a lot of welding as well. These pipes here are covered. They were welded by the guys and women on this job site.
There's a lot of processes involved in just one little part of this building. It's incredible.
For everyone to understand, how many pipe fitters do you need to put together this whole building?
Probably 10 to 12 pipe fitters for this size building.
It's a lot of opportunity.
Students, your future in construction starts here.
Check out autodesk.com/makeitreal for inspiration, learning, and scholarship opportunities.